Hi guys, welcome to the training video on how to find a WordPress theme. Basically, there are two ways to find a WordPress theme. The first method is through the WordPress theme directory, and the second method is finding themes on websites that serve as marketplace for WordPress themes. Okay, but in this video we are going to be talking about how to find WordPress themes using the WordPress theme directory. Now you can do so through the dashboard or through the wordpress.org website. First of all, let me show you how to get a WordPress theme from the wordpress.org website. Creating another bar, type into your browser www.wordpress.org/themes. Hitting the enter button brings you to the theme section or the theme directory on the wordpress.org website. As you can see on my browser window, I can already see the most featured WordPress theme in recent times. I can see Spotron, I can see Amplblog, I can see Masori Hub, I can scroll down and see Hexagon, Industrial Light, Alchemist, and many more. Okay, so but let's say you want to trim your search to, let's say we want to search for a WordPress theme for e-commerce. So you can simply come to this place to use the feature filter, and here is how it works. The filter helps you to narrow down your search. Many a times it is always good to get a WordPress theme that can list products at least in 3 columns. That's for e-commerce website or most of other websites. So I can just say, as regards to layout, I'm telling the directory to get me themes that come with 3 columns, and then I also want themes that I can change the background color if I like. I want a theme that I can change the any form of colors within the theme, and I want a theme that, okay, let me be able to also customize the header. So, and then from the subject area, I told you this example is trying to find a theme for e-commerce, so I'm just going to tick e-commerce. Mind you, you can tick as many checkboxes you like. So as you can see, I'm done with selecting my filters, and I'm just going to click the apply filters button to give me the narrowed search that I want. Okay, so as we can see, all these themes that WordPress is showing me right now are themes that come with 3 columns, and the colors are customizable, the background are customizable, and they are also applicable for e-commerce website, for e-commerce purposes. So that is how to find a WordPress theme using the WP directory using the wordpress.org site. Okay, another method for finding a theme using the WP directory is to go back to your dashboard. You can also do whatever you did on the wordpress.org directory in your dashboard. How are you going to do that? Come to the left bar menu, click on appearance, and then the default page it takes you to is the theme page. Okay, so basically, remember from previous videos, when you install WordPress on your cPanel, it comes with some defaultly installed themes, which is the 2019, the 2017, and the 2016. Okay, so but remember, these themes that come pre-installed, they are usually not beautiful, they are usually not nice, but something just had to be there, so those are what came with it. So for you to change that, you need to click the add new button. When you click the add new button, it brings you to the interface I just showed you from the wordpress.org website. So as you can see, it's showing us, featured. It's showing us 15 featured themes, and most likely reflecting the most popular themes people have used in recent times. So it's either you look through the featured themes and you probably most likely will see something that you love, but just in case you couldn't find what you love, it is just ideal to go and use the feature filter so that you can narrow your search. As you can see, this page looks similar to what I showed you from wordpress.org. So let's say this time around I want to find a theme for the purposes of managing a blog, and I like it when I can customize the background. I love it when I can change colors as I want, and I want it when I can customize my header to anyhow I want it. And I also want a station whereby all my news posts are going to be arranged in 3 columns. So I'm just going to hit 3 columns. So by doing that, I am done with narrowing the search I am making for a blog theme. Okay, so similar to the actions we did on the WordPress.org website, I'm going to hit this apply filters button to bring me the search that I want. So as you can see, the themes I am seeing here, it's showing me what I can use for blog, especially the Vivid blog, and I can go on to click the install button and then later go on to customize it, but that is beyond the scope of this video. This video is meant to teach you for now the fundamentals. We are going to be going into detail when we start doing the project. We are going to show you how to install and customize it based on the projects you are going to be given in this project. Okay, but basically that is how to find a WordPress theme using the WP directory. Remember, you can find WordPress theme using the WP directory via your dashboard, or you go to the www.wordpress.org website, go to the theme section and find the theme that you want. By the time you find the theme that you want here, you are going to download it in a zip file format, which you later go to upload on your dashboard. Okay, that is it. With this, we have come to the end of this training video on how to find a WordPress theme, and we have just touched how to find a WordPress theme using the WP directory. In the second video, we are going to show you how to find WordPress themes on websites that serve as marketplace for WordPress themes.